Yeah, it doesn't look... Oh my god, Kaia. Today is a good weather.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good weather. Wow, someone with the new Ray-Bans. Oh. You're catching fish? Is that it?
There's a lot.
There's a lot?
You want?
Do you want water, Kaia?
Stupid dog.
She know how to drink one. A lot of people put their dogs on the rocks, then can take picture. But there's a lot of red ants here. Oi! There's a lot of red ants. No! Come down! It's red ants.
Where?
Here on the rock.
Oh, okay.
She. Can you jump? Whoa!
Must you always bite the leaf? Hey,
She took some. Oh, she dropped.
let's go.
Australian, we're back to the Aussie, we're back to the outback. Welcome to the land down under. Yeah. Oh, that's your veggie mic, babe. Hey, wait, what's this? Why is this says fur?
I don't know that.
Is this veggie mic fur? I have no idea. But like all this for fur, and this for veggie, right? And this for nachos, and what's body palmy? I saw all these at Coles in Australia. We need to find nuts. I need goat cheese as well. I told you it's here. It's all here. I think it's almost the same price though as where. Anyway, we're getting this. Crocodile, no, sorry. Rabbit, yeah. Oh well. Oh, bully. We have bully sticks. Oh, here's the dog corner. Okay, we can pay money. Open.
Go lick it. No.
What's this?
Big inflatable ball.
Let go. Let go, Kaia. What's this, Kaia? What's this? Hello. Here.
Turbo one.
You don't buy all these things
Okay,
from
then.
Gem.
What? Oh. Thanks, Bob. Oh, yeah. I did it.
Hey, nice lah. I wanted the mic one.
I wanted it. Ooh, we matching. I'm gonna wear white shoes also. Look at me. I'm also wearing black and green. Same. Best. Wow, we matching. Coincidentally. 50% off. Thank you for getting me coffee.
Oh, today I tried the Jasper coffee.
Jasper coffee.
Signature blend.
Which one? What's this? Market Lane?
No, the other one, the sampler one.
Oh. Pran Market.
Pran.
Market. Yeah. Okay.
Paran.
You tell me it's Pahan, okay?
Pahan.
Then how's the coffee? What do you like?
Okay.
Okay, let me try to open this up with one hand. Can you help me open? Because... Cheers! Oh,
What?
the smell. Oh, there's something at the back. Sour. What is it? Sour? It's not sour, right? Close up, close. But don't close so tight, please.
Something at the back.
Oh, but it's nice though. Is it nutty?
A bit.
It's a bit nutty.
A bit.
It's
But
a bit
this is a signature
chocolatey.
blend.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. So I get to open the...
Is it the... Did we buy coffee that day?
No, we didn't buy from there. Because we
Oh, yeah, we had too much.
But it's my second cup.
It's your second
Oh,
cup.
sorry, I had 2 cups already.
We had 2 cups already.
Yeah.
From where?
Okay.
So this caption.
You top up already, is it?
Haven't.
You must top up, right?
Then top up lah. Tiga. Morning. Here. See? Why do you get yourself thing up? Popo. Okay, go. Ooh, kids are coming ahead.